Hi, this is the last stop on Pinery Yurt trip. I am in day use 9, and this is where there are a lot of birds. So I'm going to feed some birds that come on my hand and take some food away. So let's have a look at that. Here we go.
It's so much fun. What's an old lady to do? Get out in the woods and really have a great time. I just decided to add this commentary in the editing because I don't want to talk while they're there. That would scare them away. So what we're seeing here is a mix of nuthatch, comes around once in a while, and a lot of chickadees. They're a lot of fun to have on your hand. And occasionally it's the titmouse, but the titmouse is a lot more shy, and you see it sort of photobombing every once in a while and thinking it might come in. It gets a few pieces, so keep an eye out for that. At this point, I'm running out of sunflowers, and they're all coming up and saying, "Wow, where's the sunflower seeds?" and kind of flying away. So I decide I better get some more seed out. Sorry it looks so crappy, but I've decided not to edit this part out because that was real life. That's really what happened.
So that was a lot of fun to feed the birds. I love coming here to do that. It's open all winter, and people come here and feed them all winter long. So they get a lot of attention, and then that's why they're so busy right now, bothering me because they haven't had a lot in the last couple of weeks because people aren't coming here anymore like they used to for the winter feeding of the birds. But these little dudes, they were pretty excited to see me. Yeah, it's always great to come here and yeah, can you see them? There they go. Um, so that's the end of this episode, the road trip to Pinery and staying at a yurt. with my buddy. She stayed the one night. We had a wonderful time. As I said, the weather was off and on, but still, the kind of weather we had for mid-April. I saw the ducks that I wanted to see down by the river. There's some photos of them. So all in all, it was a wonderful journey, and I am so glad that I could do it. And I hope that you can get out and get active like this too, because there's nothing like getting out in the woods if you really want to feel like, hey, the world is worth living in. Bye.